I got
Okay.
see.
That's great, sir. That's not Wyandotte. Yet you were found in Wyandotte again, unclothed. You didn't have any clothes on, sir. All right. Good morning, Mr. Benson. Again.
Good morning.
All right. We're on the record of the matter of the city of Wyandotte versus Gregory Benson, 26553.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Neil McGoy here on behalf of Gregory Benson. Mr. Benson, please state your name, sir.
Gregory Benson Gregory.
Thank you.
Okay. And counsel?
Yes, my client waived formal reading and stands mute to the charge.
The court will waive the formal reading, enter a plea of not guilty for purposes of the arraignment, and then as to the pretrial. I'm sorry. It does appear as though you took this opportunity to pre-try this matter with the prosecuting attorney, correct?
That's correct.
All right.
Client prepared to offer a plea of guilty to the charge.
All right, sir. I'm going to have you please raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in this matter be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And sir, you heard the plea that was placed on the record, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
As to the charge, sir, of disorderly conduct, how do you plead?
Guilty.
And you've gone over your advice of rights with your attorney, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you understand all of those rights.
Yes, Your Honor.
You also understand, sir, by entering into a plea that you'll be waiving some of those rights.
Yes, Your Honor.
And
Yes,
you
Your Honor.
also understand, sir, that you understand the possible penalty, whether in this court, any other court, or administrative agency.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hey, can you look to see when he was recently released from Wayne County Jail, please? Right, he was just sentenced March 25th.
I thought came up with 1,000.
Just for a moment. And, sir, has anybody promised you anything, threatened you, or coerced you in any way for you to enter into a plea?
No,
Any immigration issues?
no.
All right, and, counsel, if you can please party your client.
Yes, I will. Mr. Benson, you called me in the city of Wyandotte yesterday.
Yes,
Mr. Benson, yes, thank you. And there
Yes.
was a report, someone contacted the police and they said that there was a person without clothing laying in an alley in the vicinity of 1103 4th Street. Was that you?
yes, Your Honor.
Not Your Honor. But
Don't demote him.
Yes, sir.
don't insult me. I'm sorry. Mr. Benson, and at that time, you had contact with Wyandotte police officer, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
It's okay, we'll move forward. And then at that time, you had alcohol in your possession and a blood alcohol level of 0.101. Is that correct?
I've been trying to go down to team milk. Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll get to that. Hold on. Please try to answer my questions. So you had an interaction with the officer and it determined you had been drinking, you had alcohol, open alcohol with you at that time. Is that correct?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and do you agree that constitutes disorderly conduct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, so the court will accept your plea as knowing, voluntary, and factually accurate. I mean, I would think that him laying unclothed and his behavior for that would qualify as disorderly, but counsel as to sentencing.
Situation, Mr. Benson, you know, some of his history, he's advised me and he just tried to interrupt me and explain to the court that he has an appointment with Teen Mental Health. Apparently that other matter, like you had just referenced, May 1st, is that correct? Mr. Benson, you have
Yes,
you have an appointment with Teen Mental Health?
Yes, Your Honor.
And he is diagnosed, apparently he was not, he was off his medications, he has some sort of a mental disorder. I don't know that he's I don't believe he's completely disabled by that, but he's been diagnosed with some psychoaffective disorder, schizophrenia perhaps. And he believes that his conduct that day, he was off his medications, and that might have contributed to some very, very, very poor behavior of that, right? And so, yeah, I don't know how you want to, don't know how I would handle this if I was promoted to judge. This is a difficult case.
Well, here's what I'll say that I'm, Ellie, Autumn?
Yeah.
Okay, can you pull up his most recent one from February, please? And tell me what I ordered, because I'm pretty certain I ordered 90 days jail. I don't know if I ordered targeted treatment.
30 days.
Just one moment, sir. Yes, from February. Looks as though it was February 21st. What does it show my sentence was that I ordered? 90 days jail?
51.
Start at 51. So by my calculations, that's still 39 days. And when did I sentence him? Well, when were you released, sir?
30 days ago, I was trying to walk down to team mental health. I've been going down to team. I walked out of my cone. I went to team mental health
Sir,
on the
sir,
30th.
sir,
Yes,
just one
sir.
moment, just one moment. Because I'm pretty certain I also told you to stop coming back to Wyandotte. You don't live in Wyandotte,
I just my family are dead and gone.
sir.
I've been trying to do better.
Just one moment. Mr. Benson, please stop for a
Sir.
moment. I ordered you 90 days jail on March 27th. Credit for 51. That means you should have still been serving another. Stop talking. Mr. Benson, stop talking, please, and stop interrupting my record.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So you should have served 39 more days. So by my credit, you should maybe just now, or by my calculations, you should just now be getting out if they're giving you credit for certain days. Otherwise, you should have still been in custody. I can assure you that you should have served more than 30 days.
I got time served. I did 3 months.
Sir, further, you have a number of warrants out from other jurisdictions. So I'm really not sure how you were released. Additionally, I am fairly certain I ordered you not to return to the city of Wyandotte upon your release from your last order of jail.
I
You
went down to
were
jail.
just, sir, team mental health is right there isn't it right there off of Jefferson, downtown Detroit?
No, it's off this 14799 Dix Toledo Road. I went to see
Hey, not Wyandotte, still not Wyandotte, sir, still not Wyandotte.
That's on Southgate. That's where my caseworker at, and my case management over there. I got
Okay. That's great, sir. That's not Wyandotte. Yet you were found in Wyandotte again, unclothed. You didn't have any clothes on, sir.
Okay, yes, ma'am. I'm trying to do better.
Some very lewd behavior.
Most of my family are dead and gone. I lost my brother. I lost my mother, my father, 40 years back. My grandfather dead and gone. My auntie
Mr.
dead and
Benson.
gone.
Mr. Benson,
Yes,
I can
ma'am.
appreciate, Mr. Benson, I can appreciate that that's tough and that that's a struggle for you. However, I have said, stop coming to Wyandotte. If you want to visit the court, you can do so a different way. You don't have to keep getting arrested, right? But since you're not allowed in Wyandotte, you can't come visit the court.
Yes,
However-
ma'am.
However, that's not why you were arrested. You were arrested because you were laying in the alley naked and doing some other acts. In addition, you had consumed alcohol, which doesn't bode well for you ever. Here is what this court's going to do. I'm going to make sure, sir, that you are not coming back to Wyandotte or any other city for a little while, and that you're going to be getting your treatment that you're requesting. So this court's going to order, find that there's not reasonable grounds to depart from MCL 769.5. The court's going to order 90 days jail. You are to be tethered to treatment through the Wayne County Jail. Waive fines and costs. That's the best I can do for you, sir.
Can I go home today?
Sir,
I just got released, Your Honor. My
Well-
family, I'm not gonna make it in jail.
no, sir,
I'm
you're going,
too slow.
excuse me. You are going back to jail and they are going to tether you to treatment. That's what's going to happen. That's what's happening. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, very good. Have a good day.
Come on,
Okay.
Betsy, come on, we're gonna go back.
Mr. Best,
That's fine.
Mr. Williams, you can't be.
Okay. All right, let's go back on the record in the matter of the city of Wyandotte versus Joshua Weber, 26299.